We are here at Collegetown Plaza at the east end of the hallway. We're going to take a look at apartment 8M. Let's go on in. This is a 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. You can see already that it's a great, bright apartment. We are facing to the west. We'll see the living room space as we enter, and you can see we have some seating areas, the sofa and small chair and tables. We have dining table over here, and we also have a TV that comes in the room. There's an air conditioner here in the living room. This is an air conditioner for this room, a room air conditioner, not for the whole unit. Let's take a look. We've got a great feature up here on a higher floor. We've got that beautiful lake view. All 4 of the bedrooms here have a lake view. I'm gonna zoom in briefly so we can see that's Cayuga Lake. We can see the south end of the lake from here, from all 4 bedrooms and the living room. We'll take a look in the kitchen, and then we'll go through the bathroom and see all 4 bedrooms here. That blue door is where we just came in. Let's take a look in the kitchen before we see the rest of the space. This is a nice kitchen. We've got renovated appliances. We have newer cabinets in here. We've got one open so you can see a sample of how the cupboards are. Here's the stove oven. There's the sink, the dishwasher underneath. We have drawers, cupboards, and a refrigerator over here. Just past the entrance on the right is where the bathroom for the apartment is. I'll get this door open and we'll go in and take a look. So we have a standard bathroom. You see the tub shower, there's the sink, the toilet, and the cabinet on the wall. So that is the bathroom for the apartment, a standard bathroom here. We have 4 bedrooms. There are 1 on each side. If you've seen the Collegetown Plaza overview videos, we're going to room 1 here. You'll see that the building has 9 floors, but we enter on floor 4. We are on the west side of the building, so it is the side that is the higher up. Okay, you can see all the bedrooms will have the same furnishings. There will be a full-size bed, a nice tall bookshelf. We have a desk and chair, a dresser, and there is also a closet. It's right over here. This one is the room that has a slight angle in the wall right here. You also saw that angle as we walked into the room. And we'll just go over briefly to the window. Again, it's that beautiful lake view facing to the west, and the lake is over to our north a little bit. You can see that angled wall over here. Let's go see the next bedroom. We're going to room 2. That's right next to us here on this side. This is a regular room. We've got a little small angle here for the dresser. Again, same furnishings, same great view, same closet. Collegetown Plaza is located at 111 Dryden Road. We're in the central Collegetown neighborhood. From the corner intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, we're located just 1 block to campus, so it's really easy to get over to class. The other 2 bedrooms are across on this side. We're going across from the kitchen into room 3. Okay, room 3. This room is an actual rectangle shape. Let's go on in. You can see the closet over here. You can move the furniture around wherever you like, but I think for this room, you definitely want to be able to maximize that beautiful lake view that we have over here and that west view. It's really pretty. The windows open. There are mini blinds. There are carpets on the floors. And again, you've seen the furniture. We're going to see the last bedroom. Bedroom 4 is the largest of the bedrooms in the apartment. It has one other extra feature that you're really gonna like in here. So let's go on in. You can see it's a little bigger than the other bedrooms. But again, that beautiful view. Over to our right. And even the west view is really pretty, the valley views. Okay, so our extra feature beside the extra space in this one is a double closet. So you can see 1 closet over here. We have that second closet over here. So room 4 has the double closet here in these M-style apartments. We're in apartment 8M. We have this model of unit on floors 5 through 9 here in Collegetown Plaza. So the apartment layouts are all the same in those units, but this is a sample of 8M, 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment located at Collegetown Plaza. We're at 111 Dryden Road here in central Collegetown, and we're located just 1 block to campus.